It is 4:48. Let's get a check now of the forecast for Tuesday. Heat wave finally came to an end yesterday. Brittany, so what's the day looking like today?
Honestly, it looks beautiful.
Good.
And the big word for the day today is going to be comfortable. We're done with the heat. We're done with the humidity. It'll still feel summer-like. You're still going to be seeing some sunshine. It'll still be in the 80s and plenty warm, but it just won't be that oppressive heat and all of that humidity that we've been dealing with for the past couple of days. Here's a look back towards Providence from our Kettle Point camera. You can see the city beautifully lit up. We're not really seeing any issues with fog or haze or anything for this afternoon or even for this morning, because we're going to be seeing just that nice dry air help to clear everything out. Think of yesterday's cold front as a broom, just sweeping out all that moisture, getting it away from our region. Still relatively warm right now, specifically in Providence. They're sitting at 72 degrees. East Providence, Seekonk right around 71. Other spots are a bit cooler, down into the 60s. We might actually continue to cool down over the next hour or two as we continue to see this wind kind of drop down from the northwest, pulling in that cooler and drier air towards our region. It's all because of that cold front, which is still working its way a little bit further to the south. It's clearing out that cloud coverage, taking all those showers with it, and we'll be seeing some high pressure kind of skate towards our area throughout the day today. Still a couple of clouds out there this afternoon, but overall a great day on the way. Temperatures right now, like I said, a few spots are slightly warmer. Westerly 70 degrees, Providence 72, but everybody else is back down into the 60s, a bit more seasonable out there. 66 for Coventry, Smithfield 64, Taunton right now sitting at 65 degrees. As we look forward to later this afternoon, we're still going to be warm and summer-like, back up into the 80s, but the real big difference for today is it's also going to be feeling like the 80s. So here's a look at that muggy meter. Yesterday, very hot and humid. We still had that heat advisory through till about 5 o'clock yesterday evening. It did get canceled a bit early, but we saw our feel-like temperature and our heat index up into the 90s because those dew points were in the 70s. Today and tomorrow, though, we see much drier air just park over our region. Those dew points drop down into the 50s. So the actual air temperature and the heat index, or the feel-like temperature, will be fairly similar. So we're going to be right around 84 this afternoon, but it'll also be feeling like 84. A lot of sunshine out there. Rain chances near zero this afternoon. We're expecting some nice dry weather, not only for today, but also for tomorrow. Now, we will be seeing some additional cloud coverage this afternoon and into the early evening, but other than that, just very quiet conditions. It all clears out during the overnight hours. So tomorrow you're waking up to some sunshine. We're dropping back down into the 60s once again, so a nice start to your Wednesday. And then for your Wednesday afternoon, slightly warmer and a little bit more sunshine, but still very nice overall, and again dry for the next 2 days. Beach forecast, if you were planning on heading towards the coast later on this afternoon, do keep in mind we still have that moderate risk for some rip currents, but other than that, a great idea. You're going to be seeing some sunshine, and the air and the water are nice and warm. Sun-safe time, that's down to about 20 minutes. For the next 7 days, we are dry for today and tomorrow. However, as we look forward to Thursday and Friday, that's when things start to change. We're back up, seeing a little bit more moisture moving in. Those dew points jump back up into the 60s and 70s, so it'll be a little bit more humid for the end of the work week, as well as a chance for some showers and thunderstorms this weekend, though. A great stretch of weather on the way all the way through till about Monday. You can head over to our website. We've got that 7-day forecast. You can check it out anytime you like, and you can, of course, also download that Pinpoint Weather 12 app for updates throughout the day. Now we're going to check in on your morning commute. So far, I mean, that looks beautiful from this point of view. We got a little bit of some pink in the sky.
It is. It's beautiful out there this morning, Brittany. Yesterday, we didn't have the best visibility with some of that fog, so it's nice this morning, making for a little bit of an easy